Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are gonna make a tiny traffic light with Arduino. After creating a new sketch in Arduino, we are gonna define the pinouts which are gonna connect to the traffic light module. In our project, I choose 7th, 6th, and 5th pins of Arduino Uno. Now let's define the pinouts in our program. Define red pin, red pin 7. Let's copy this. Yellow pin to 6 and the green to 5. Now we are going to define the timeouts. Red time to, let's say, 5 seconds. Yellow time to 2 seconds. And the green time to 5 seconds. Now in the setup function we are gonna set the pin functions as output. Pin mode, red pin, and output. And we are gonna repeat this function to the rest of the pins. Yellow and green. In the loop function, we are going to change the state of LEDs by using digital write function in Arduino. Digital write red pin high, and the rest of the pins should be off. Let's repeat this function. Yellow and green. Only red LED should be on, so we are gonna make them low in order to make them off, and we are gonna wait up to the time that we have been set here. So we are gonna wait up to the red time. This is the on state for red LED, and we are gonna repeat this code to the rest of the LEDs. The next state is green, so red LED should be off and green should be on, and we are gonna wait up to green time, and finally the yellow LED should be on and others should be off. We are gonna wait up to yellow time, and now we are done. Let's save this and program the board. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.